Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Outlook account on your computer, and now just dive right in. Now to log out or sign out of your Outlook account on your computer, first you must log into your Outlook account, as I've already logged into my account, and this is the home section of my Outlook account. Now in order to log out of your account guys, at the top right corner of the page you can see where I'm hovering right now on with my mouse. There is the profile or our profile picture icon. Click on that and this pop-up box will appear, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the sign out button available for us. Now in order to log out of our Outlook account, simply click on that sign out button, and then we will be logged out of our Outlook account immediately. Let's wait for the page to load over here guys. And over here guys, you can see we have been redirected to the MSN page of our Outlook. So guys, yeah guys, this is how you sign out of your Outlook account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more video. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.